Okay, so I went ahead and took these out of this frame, and now I'm removing my glass. Going to remove these out, and then I'm going to glue the glass onto the inside the frame. So these come out, actually they come out better when the cardboard and everything is still in there. You kind of have to go back, they have to go left and right or back and forth, like that. And it comes right out. I'll show you another one. Grip, back and forth, right out. They come right out. Alright, that's it. Ow! God, that's hot. So I'm using this frame to help push this one and make it perfectly level. This is going to go like this. And then this one will go like that. This one as a level to make sure that it stays straight. Now that I've got it nice and level, I will use the glue gun. This is a lot harder than what I see on everyone else's YouTube videos. Like, maybe I'm just trying too hard or being too cautious, but I feel like everyone else just put theirs together so like effortlessly. And now my glue gun. I need glue. Here we go. I need glue. I mean, look at all this glue, like, oh my gosh. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way been debating on how I was going to decorate this. I have these that used to say out of office and aim to inspire, and I took the stickers off. So, what I decided to do with these is just to leave them blank like this, and I could either make a shadow box, with these two and just put them together like that, and then I can just stand them up and make a shadow box. And I also thought about taking one of these and just putting it at the bottom and having it resting like that, just for a little bit more depth. Like that. And it fits perfectly on there. I don't know if it needs that. I like having these too. It's just, I don't know what I'm going to do. You want to help me? Okay. But I just think it looks better by itself without these underneath it. So, let's take that off. It fits perfectly inside of it too. Hi, Erin. Yeah, that's not it. That's glass. It's not clear. So here, take your turtle. Take your turtle. I think what I'm going to do is take some more rope and just do up here with it.